Welcome to the Stitch Cafe. My name is Rachel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the grown-up version of these slippers. So you're going to need worsted weight yarn or number 4 medium. You're going to need a size J hook. So I'm going to start by making a slip knot. And after I do that, I'm going to chain 50. A chain stitch is wrapping your yarn around your hook and pulling it through. And you would do that for 50 times, for 50 stitches. I'm just going to do a few here to show you the chain stitch. So you do that for 50 stitches, and once you have 50 on your hook, the stitch you're going to do is a single crochet stitch. So just pretend that we've done our 50 stitches and we're going to do our single crochet. We would start in the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2. And the single crochet is just putting the hook in the spot you want to stitch. Yarn over once, pull through one, yarn over, pull through both, and that's the single crochet. And that's the stitch we use for this baby booty, not baby booty, grown-up slippers, excuse me there. If you've watched the other videos on the baby booties, these are made exactly the same way, just more stitches. I'm doing this low so you can see the single crochet stitch. Alright, so I have a different piece here that I've been working on. So I have done my 50 chains, and I will work 12 rows of the single crochet. So I'm going to finish row 12 here. And it's a single crochet. And this is row 12. So while I'm finishing this row, we've chained 50 and we've done single crochet for 12 rows. Alright, so I have, once again, I've chained 50 and I've done single crochet for 12 rows. Now we're going to decrease 13 stitches. So we're just going to do slip stitches. We're going to go into the second stitch, 1, 2. We're going to do a slip stitch. Insert hook, yarn over, go through both. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Now we're going to do a chain 1, and then we're going to work single crochet, and we're going to stop 13 stitches from the end, and this is starting the cuff. And I'm going to count 13 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's where I stopped. I actually done 2 extra stitches. So now I'm going to turn my work, and you would work this cuff back and forth however long you want to make the cuff. I'll do one more row here. Chain 1, and you'll go in that first stitch, and it's single crochet again. You can make the cuff however long as you want it. I have 4 stitches left here on this row. Since it's kind of hard to see where that ends, I counted back 13 from here to know where I needed to end. And now when I turn my work, you can see the edge here of the cuff. So you could do this for however long you wanted. In the sample, we've done it. I did 6 rows. So you would do that for 4 more rows, and then you would leave yourself about 24 inches of a tail or longer. You would fold over the sock or the slipper, and then you would just seam down here, around, and across the bottom. And that is your grown-up slipper. These are really good to make for Christmas presents, or if you do charity work to donate to children in hospitals or the elderly that are in nursing homes. It's a really good project, and these are really thick. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.